Back my home cooks and chef. Today we got something special. I've been dying to do this. Y'all been loving, the southern fried cabbage, but I'm gonna do a southern fried green beans, guys, with some potatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little twist on, my southern green beans, do it southern fried. I'm gonna show you why I said fried, and you're gonna really enjoy this. This dish packs a punch of flavor, you guys. And I'm gonna show you how to work smarter, not harder, you guys. That's the motto, you guys. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna actually clean these up, snip off the ends, and I'm gonna show you an easy way to make this southern fried green bean. I know you never heard of that before. I made that up just for you guys. I've been dying to do it, so I'm gonna show you the ingredients and let's get into it. Enough talking, let's get to cooking. All right, so the first thing we're gonna be doing, these are the ingredients. So you got bacon, you got golden potatoes, which are 3 of them. But like I said, all the ingredients are gonna be in the description below. So I'm not right now, just that's where you look for it. You got the onions and you got your green beans. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is actually sauteing the bacon. All right, you guys, so I got a little head start up on you, to start cooking up the bacon. So just add your pieces in. So you already see that it's starting to build the oil and stuff like that. So that's what we're looking for. So just add in all your bacon. So what I did was I just chopped up 4 thick pieces of bacon. This is applewood. You can use whatever you like. Some people sometimes like to use beef bacon. It just depends. Not everybody sells beef bacon. So I'm gonna add all these bacon in, let them render down. I'm gonna take them out. I'm not gonna leave it in here. And then we're gonna get ready to saute up our vegetables, which is pretty much frying up our vegetables to make this southern fried green bean. All right, so now don't forget to add in your potatoes into the fire. I already took out the bacon, so just sauteing this, frying it up in the bacon. So you just move it around. And you just gotta add in all your other vegetables into it as well. So this is all flavor. So what you're doing, that's what I'm doing right now. So add in your onions next. And we're gonna be adding in your bell peppers. So all these are gonna be, sauteing and cooking down, with everything. This is how you add in a little color, you guys. Now these are some bell peppers I chopped up and frozen, put away. Adding in little bell peppers in. Now this is something I like to do. And last but not least, add your 1/4 cup of garlic. So make sure you put all that in right now. Can't have southern fried cabbage without no good old garlic. You know what I'm saying? Turn your temperature up on medium. I had it on low, so when I first introduced all the vegetables in there. So we're gonna let it absorb some of that flavor. And then we're gonna be adding in, our chicken broth next. All right, so what I'm gonna do is add, my seasoning in here. What I do is add my little chicken seasoning that I got a little mixture of. I always have, everything in there that I possibly need, salt, pepper, garlic and everything like that. So just season it up. Now, if you want a little kick, you can add a little pepper flakes in here. So I'm at a little bit, not much, because I got something else. So that's about good. Put as much as you like. Probably you just put a teaspoon in there and add a half a stick of butter. So I chopped it up so it can melt down a little bit quicker. So I'm gonna spread it all around. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna do this. Get ready to start sauteing it up. We're gonna, mix all the flavors in. Looking pretty good. Smelling good. Like I said, I wonder when they're gonna come out with this smell-o-vision. Somebody holler at Bill Gates or Google or Elon Musk. We need to have some smell-o-vision. Somebody give us some smell-o-vision. You know what I'm saying? Because I know this is torture for those that's sitting at home. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tasting it in the air. All right, you guys. So, all right, I'm gonna let this do its thing. Let the butter render down, and then we're gonna be adding in, the string beans next. Actually, I'm gonna add in the string beans now with everything because I have everything in here. So I'm adding the rest of the string beans in, to the dish. And we're gonna get ready to start whipping it up and mixing everything in, sauteing it up. All right, so now you want to do is you want to add in 2 cups of chicken broth. Like I said, flavors your friends, so we like to build our flavors. So right now in this little concoction, what I did was I added a tablespoon of Creole seasoning, and with my chicken broth, my 2 cups of chicken broth. So I added it all into the measuring cup. So that's all I do. Just pour it in like that. Put your temperature up. So let it come to a boil. Put your top back on and let it do its thing. Like I said, flavor's your friend. This helps everything cook evenly and cook through, you guys. So after this is done, we're gonna finish it up. Top it off with the bacon, and we're gonna be done. Actually, let me add the bacon in right now, because this is the part where you add the bacon back in, because I almost forgot about that. So let me add the bacon back in right now. Bringing it all in. Now, if your bacon is crunchy, that's how it's supposed to be. So you put it back in. It'll boil. Once this boils in and boils down, the bacon will get soft and infused with everything in the dish, you guys. So stir it around. Make sure everything is in there, incorporated right. Bacon and everything. Make sure everything is flavorful. See that stock right there on this southern fried string beans? I mean, you did it right. So let it boil down so the potatoes can get done, and we'll be finished, you guys. See you in a minute. All right, you guys, so it is done. Everything is tender. You can check it out. So everything is rendered down. And that's all it is, guys. It doesn't take a lot, to do this. Very simple and easy. Your family gonna love you for this. It's a great dish to put together. To add in with any dish you want. You can just eat it as this if you like. But it's pretty much it's done. Knock it out the way. Knock it out. Like I said, if you follow the instructions closely, and look at the ingredients in the description below. It's very simple and easy, guys. Don't make it complicated. Work smarter, not harder. We ain't in this game. We trying to eat. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. That's the least you can do. I really appreciate all y'all that's been rocking with me. Let me know what you think about this. Leave a comment below. I really just want to hear from you guys. If y'all leave a comment below, I like to chat with you guys off and on. I got a couple of my favorites that I'll be talking to off and on. But, let me know what you think, man. Tell me how everything going. Also, too, just tell me about your day. If you haven't been over to my Facebook page, please definitely go over there and join it. It's the Urban Coach Kitchen. Food feed the soul, you guys. Jump on over there. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you're new, like I said, thumbs up. If you're not new, thanks for riding with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. I had to get down. Family hungry.